Hello, my dear all students. Welcome back to our channel Gyan Manjri Online Education. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, my dear all students, in our last lecture, we saw the portion of poetry, the introduction part of the poetry, right? So, our seventh unit is about the poetry. So, let's see what is poetry. So, poetry is a type of writing which uses less words to describe ideas, then shows or expresses strong feelings, use musical qualities of words. It can be sung, so poetry can be sung. Uses words to create pictures in the minds of the readers. So, here we have what is poetry. So, here a kind of qualities we can see in poetry. The first one uses less words to describe ideas. If we compare prose and poetry, so in poetries there are less words to describe any ideas. Then it shows or expresses strong feelings, use musical qualities of words, and it can be sung. So we can sing this poetry. Rhythm is there. Next, uses words to create pictures in the minds of the readers. So there are poems which rhyme and there are poems which don't rhyme. So let's see which words have the same ending sound. Can, punch, and man. So first you imagine. Okay, yeah, you are going with very perfect direction. So here we have two words, same ending sound, and the words are can and man. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, can and man. These both have same ending sound. Which sound? That is un. So which words have the same ending sound here? Sway, may or dance? Of course, sway and may. These both words have the same ending sound. Okay, same ending sound. Sway and may. So the sound is a. Then again, which words have the same ending sound? Fence, stand, or lance? Of course, fence and lance. So let's see the answers. Fans and lance. So what sound is there at the ending words? Ants, fans, lance. So here same sound. Ants, same sounds are there. So what are these words with the same ending sound called? If we have this kind of words which ends with same sound. Yes, you are going with very good way. Words with the same ending sounds are called rhyming words. Okay, so these all are our rhyming words. So if you are asked in your examination that which word is rhyming word for can, so we can say man. For swear, may. For fans, lance. So this three rhyming words we have. Okay, three pairs of rhyming words we have. Next, so why are rhyming words used in poems? Okay, so think, you have two times for thinking. That why we use rhyming words in poems. And is it necessary to add rhyming words in poems? Just think about it. So somebody can say that we take rhyming words in poems to make it more beautiful, to make it in rhythm, so that we can sing it very well. If there is not rhyming words, so it will be look like something else. But if we follow the rhyming words, sorry, if we follow the rhyming words, then the poem will be more effective. So rhyming words are used in poems. Why? So here we have the reasons. Give the poem music or rhythm. Make it easier to remember the lines. If rhyming words are there, then it will be more remembered, right? It will be easy to remember the lines. So these are two reasons that why we use rhyming words in poems. Okay, so remember. So which are the rhyming words in this line? So here we have the little bit portion of the rhyme or poetry. So the very well-known poetry we have here: Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay, so your time starts now. Just think about it. Which are rhyming words are used in this poem? So, how to identify rhyming words in a poem? So, the very first line, we have to find out the first line. Line wise we will go and we will see the ending word of the line. So, what is the ending word of the first line? So, that is star. Then, what is the ending word of the second line? R. Then high and sky. So these four words are the ending words. So now let's compare the same sound. Okay, meaning whatever the meaning will be there, of course the different meaning will be there, but we have to compare the same sound. Star, R. So it's a kind of same sound. So for the word star, R is rhyming word, and for high, sky is rhyming word. Okay, so we have two pairs of rhyming words in this lines. Okay, so that is the way to find out the rhyming words. Okay, so here we have star, R, high and sky. Okay, so which kind of sound we have used? Same sound, star, R. So which same sound is there? Star, R. Sound is repeated. Then for the next pair of the rhyming words, high, sky. So I. That sound, not word, but that sound, I, that sound is repeated. So that is the rhyming words for us. Okay, students. So students, here we have the table of, or we can say that some examples of rhyming words. Okay, for the given words. So in the table, highlighted words we have. So the very first word we have gone. So some rhyming words are there. So these are the rhyming words for the word gone. On, gone. Then dawn, down, drawn, prawn, swan, and yawn. So these words, whatever we have listed in the very first row, these all are the rhyming words for the word gone. So the very next word, and that is spark. So let's see which words are there as a rhyming words for the word spark. Bark, dark, mark and stark. So these four words we have as a rhyming words for the word spark. Then next word, that is keep. So many words we have as a rhyming word for the word keep. Bip, pip, slip, dip, hip, ship, chip, lip, swip, whip and step. So if you don't understand, then just go with the word. For example, bip and kip. Okay, so same words are there, means same sound is there. So that is our rhyming word. Pip and kip. Yes, also same sound. So that is our rhyming word. So like this, we have the list of the rhyming word of kick. Next word, and that is the word light. So for light, bite, light, bright, light, fright, light, flight, light, height, light, kite, light, night, light, night, then sight, right, right, white, light, slight and right. So many words we have as a rhyming word for light. Then high. So for high, we have the list rhyming words as by, I. So here we have the word I as a rhyming word for high. So the sound is same, I and high. So I sound, that is our same sound for both words. Then sigh, die, tie, my, July, supply, I, apply, why, dry, buy and lie. So these all words are rhyming words, the examples of rhyming words of the word high. Okay students, so it's all about our today's lecture. So in your homework, you have to write down whatever you are saying right now. The table you have to write down in your notebook at the second part in whole words. Okay, so you have to write down this portion in your notebook as your homework, and whatever we had covered about the poetry. Okay, so which qualities are in poetry? So we had covered 4 points, right? So that is the answer of that question. Okay, so you have to write down as your homework and send it to me on time. Okay students, so here we are going to end up our today's lecture. We'll meet next time. Okay, so if you find any difficulty regarding this or anything related to a topic, you are free to ask me. Okay, so don't take it light. It's all about our syllabus. Okay, so here we are going to end up our today's lecture. Thank you my dear all students, and have a nice day.